Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use template specialization with class templates. So let's get started. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to create a class template. So I will create a template and this will have the class T, capital T, and then I'm going to make a class and I will name it as char finder class, for example. Okay, and this is just going to have a public constructor. So I'm just going to make a constructor and I will initialize this constructor as t, and what I'm going to do in this constructor is I'm just going to print some message. I'm just going to print cout, and I'm going to print um, a, and then is valid or is not a valid char. Okay, and I'm going to end line. This is the simple class which is a template class, and T is the data type here. And suppose I want to specialize a template class. A specialization means you can redefine a class to specialize in some particular data type. Okay, so for example, I want to specialize my char finder class uh, in order to find a character or specialize in character. So what I can do is I can just redefine my class, but I can say C++ that I want to specialize my other class which has the same name with a character specialization. And how you can make this other class as a character specialization template class, you just need to remove this in this template declaration. You just need to remove any declaration in the angle brackets. Okay, so just leave this template and these angle bracket blank, and this says C++ that we are going to make this class as a specialization of some class. And how we can specialize our class? We can just specialize our class by giving or specifying the specific data type to a value. So now this will not be t, but for example char. Okay, char a, and now a is a valid character, right? So in this way you can specialize your class in a particular for a particular data type, right? So this is for general template, and this is a class template which specialize in character data type. Okay, and in order to use this class, what we can do here is we can I will just make it a little bit concise so that we can see all the code. And what we can do, we can declare the instance of our class, and in the bracket we can say char, and when you give here char, it says that you are going to define the specialization instance of the class. So I can just define char cha with or cha1 with a character. So this character can be capital A, for example. And once again, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this. But instead of char, for example, I use int, and int can be 23, for example, or float, and float can be 23.44. And let's see what happens. I will just compile my program and hopefully it will not give any error. And it's giving error. Let's see what's the error. Yeah, so error here is whenever you leave these template angle bracket blank, you need to tell the data type to this class in which you are specializing. So you need to give here angle bracket, and then here you need to write the data type in which you need to specialize your class. So leave this template angle bracket blank, but after your class name you just need to give the data type, which is char in our case, right? So compile the program, and then it's, yeah, so this instance has to be different here, different uh, variable name of instance name, right? And hopefully it will compile this time, and it's compiled, and I will run it, and this time it says A is a valid char, 23 is not a valid char, 23.44 is not a valid char. So what it has done, when you define this instance of char finder class in specialized in character, which is this one, then it goes to this class, right? Because this char or this class specialized in character class. So when you declare here char, your instance will know that it's a specialization of this template class. So it will print this message, it will implement this class implementation, or otherwise in any other condition it will take T as a data type, and it will go to this class, which is our general template class, right? So in this way you can specialize your class in order to perform a certain task for a particular data type. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.